Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to organize your personal tasks in Notion step by step in 2026 so you can stay on top of everything in your life and boost your productivity. Notion is an amazing tool to centralize your personal tasks, plans, and goals all in one place. Instead of juggling sticky notes, apps, or scattered to-do lists, you can keep everything structured and accessible. Start by creating a new page in Notion and name it something like Personal Tasks or Task Hub. This will be your main dashboard for managing daily and long-term tasks. Next, create a table database for your tasks. Include columns like task, priority, deadline, status, and notes. This allows you to track progress, set reminders, and keep important information connected to each task. Now create a section for your daily or weekly schedule. You can use a calendar view linked to your task database. This helps you visualize when each task should be completed and prevents last-minute stress. Add a notes section to capture ideas, reminders, or miscellaneous information. Use toggle blocks or text blocks to keep things tidy but accessible when you need them. Another great tip is to add a habits or routines section. Track personal habits like exercising, reading, or journaling. This small section encourages consistency and helps you see progress over time. Templates are very helpful. Once your personal task page is set up, save it as a template. This allows you to start each week or month with the same organized structure without rebuilding from scratch. You can also link tasks to goals or projects. This way you see how each personal task contributes to your bigger objectives, keeping everything aligned and purposeful. Finally, review your task dashboard regularly. Check off completed tasks, move pending items, and plan for the upcoming days or weeks. Consistency and review are the keys to making your personal task system effective. And that's how to organize your personal tasks in Notion step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Notion tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.